Here we have an assignment operators, and equals symbol is an operator which assigns the left operand to the right operand value. For example, A equals B, then B will be the value of B will be assigned to the A. And we have an plus equals, it's something like the both operands will get added and assigned to the left operand. And we have an subtract minus equals, which subtracts the right from the left operand and provides a result on the left operand. And multiply equals multiplies both operands and updates the result onto the left operand. And divide equals basically divides the left operand by the right operand and assigns the value onto the left operand accordingly. And similar way, modulus equals, which basically creates a modulus of left operand and right operand and assigns the value or result onto the left operand accordingly. And these addition operations will be applicable between only two strings, and all those arithmetic operations which we have seen, something like between integer to float, integer and float, between the strings, that kind of scenarios is also applicable over here during the addition operations. And we have an right shift equals and we have an left shift equals. The right shift and left shift operations are a bitwise operator which can be applied only to the integer variables, and this can be used something like rotating and saving into the same variable, like A rotate equals 1, which basically A will be rotated left or right those many times, and the value will be returned or updated into the same variable accordingly. For example, here we can use the option I'm restarting my shell, Python console, and clear all, and I'm going to do A equals 10, and for example A equals maybe 8 and A rotate left equals 1, then A will becomes 4 since we are rotating right shift by 1. If suppose A left shift equals 1, now the value will be returned to the returned as 8. It has been rotated by 1 bit and the output get updated accordingly onto the particular variable. Similar way, A equals 10 equals is assigning that particular variable to the value provided. And for example, B is 23.45, that equals assign that the 23.45 value as into the B as a floating point variable over here. And we can do something like a plus equals B, then A and B got added, and since we are adding a integer and floating point variable, A has become a floating point variable with the result accordingly. Similar way, the multiplication equals, divide equals, and modulus equals all works accordingly over here in the Python programming.